Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2010 Honda Stateline 1300. We're going to take a walk around this beautiful cruiser and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike's got just a little under 6,300 miles on it and is in immaculate condition. The black paint still looks new. As you can see in the front end here, no big rock chips, no big scrapes, scratches, anything like that. Still has a great gloss to it. Tank, no dents, no scratches, no chips. A couple of very, very fine scratches, like you could just barely make that one out there. But no other damage on this bike. It does have Cobra pipes on it. And the rear tire's in very good condition still on this bike. Plenty of miles left on it. It also does have an aftermarket Mustang seat on it. There's a shot of the front tire. That's also still in very good condition. Alright, let's get you a shot of those miles here. $62.82 is what's on this bike. And let's start her up. Pipe's got a nice growl to them. This bike has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.